Good morning, everyone. My name is Shikha Agrawal, and I'm working as an assistant teacher in JHS Chapiana Buzurg. I'm in front of you to present my another TLM, which is related with the science. So let's see the TLM. As you can see, this TLM is related with the atomic structure. This TLM is very useful for class 8th student, and this TLM is also very useful for those persons who wants to clear their basic concepts on the atomic structure and who wants to know the history behind the discovery of the atomic structure. I had made this TLM in Hindi because I thought that the student can easily grasp these things, and if you want, then you can make this TLM in English also. I had made this TLM because I thought that the students have so many difficulties to understand about the atom because the atom cannot be shown by the naked eye. So I had made this TLM. There are the many scientists who had their contribution in discovery of the atomic structure. But I had shown here three major scientists who have their major contribution in the discovery of the atomic structure. So let's move and explore the TLM. In the first part of the TLM, I had shown the scientist J.J. Thomson. As we know that the J.J. Thomson gave its atomic structure, he said that the atom is just like a watermelon. The red part of the watermelon is just like a positively charged proton, and the seed of the watermelon is just like the negatively charged electron. So he said that the uh, electron is embedded in the proton, but there are so many drawbacks in the J.J. Thomson model, and after that the next scientist, who was the Rutherford, gave his nucleus model. Rutherford used a gold foil and alpha particles for showing their experiment. For showing the Rutherford model, I am using, in place of the gold foil, I am using the aluminum foil, and for showing the alpha particle, I had used the golden glitter sheet. And this bangle is shown for the atoms. So, according to the Rutherford, when he bombarded the alpha particles on the gold foil, then the most of the alpha particles goes straight, and the most of the alpha particles get reflected from their path. As you can see here also, most of the alpha particles get deflected from their path, and some of alpha particles goes straight, but very less alpha particles come back. So through this experiment, Rutherford concluded that the mid part of the atom is solid and the other part of the atom is hollow. So after that, the third scientist, who was the Niels Bohr, gave his atomic model. Niels Bohr's atomic model was the most accepted model. According to the Niels Bohr, there is the mid part of the atom, which I had shown here through the golden glitter sheet, which is nucleus. And the other part of the atom is the orbit in which the electron revolve, which I had shown here through the black glitter sheet. So this is the orbit, this is the electron, and this is the nucleus. So this was the Niels Bohr's model, but there are the many drawbacks in Niels Bohr's model also. So after the Niels Bohr's, many scientists had given their theories and their models. After, when they give their different theories and models, at last one final atomic structure was discovered. As you can see, one final structure of the atom was discovered, And as you can see, I had shown here the atomic structure of the iron. In the atomic structure of the iron, I had used the chart paper, different color chart paper, for showing the electron orbits. Here the blue, light blue, purple and pink, these are the different orbits of the electron. And this red color glitter sheet used for the showing the electron, and this mid part of the atom is shown as a nucleus, and there is the green color glitter sheet is shown for the proton, and the silver color glitter sheet is shown for the neutron. So this was the iron atomic structure. I had shown here the symbols of different electron, proton, neutron and the orbits of the electron, and I had written here the formula of the atomic number and atomic mass. So this was my final TLM. I thought that this TLM become very useful for the class 8th student. Through this model, they can understand the whole structure of the atom and the history behind the discovery of the atomic structure. If you like it, then please comment on it, and if there is any suggestion on this TLM, then please write in the comment box. Thank you very much.